Man, I swear that I'm a real one, I ain't never losing. And now I'm so caught they spin, but they don't never do shit. I'm in these streets, this shit is real, man, I ain't picking choosing. I gotta get rich before I die, I'm focused on the music. Man, I swear that I'm a real one, I ain't never losing. And now I'm so caught they spin, but they don't never do shit. I'm in these streets, this shit is real, man, I ain't picking choosing. I gotta get rich before I die.
So you have my man Rajesh at the back trying to pose. He doesn't want to come in the video, so that's why I'm shooting it like this. Anyways, we have Rohit here. Come in. Hi man, Rohit.
Hi guys.
So today Rohit had gone to the CA's office. From there he came down to actually shoot gardening gupshup with Make Me Garden. Or gupshup and gardening.
Yeah, same. Gardening gupshup.
I keep forgetting the fucking name.
Okay.
Gardening gupshup with Make Me Garden. However, we are planning to do it tomorrow. What kind of questions can they expect?
As usual, for the last video, we didn't get response from you. We are sad actually. We're very angry. But yeah, never mind. We are again going back to Google and we are finding out good trends and trending questions from gardeners. Quite interesting this time again. It's about solving some natural pest problems and all these things. I think most of you might be interested.
I'm sure they will be. If they're not also, they'll just watch it and just gain some knowledge. Because most of my friends don't garden, but they do watch it. Thank you for watching it. Anyway, so we have a couple of things we are planning up. By the way, Rajesh, if you think you're not coming in the video, I want you to know that there's a mirror. You can be seen. Okay, so we have something. We're planning up. One event which we're doing is on 19th, which is of Chill Sesh. Actually, wait a second. Let me show you something. Where is that? It's right here. Did you see the seat bands?
Actually, virtually yes. Physically no.
Okay. Here are the seat bands.
Most of our Insta followers have already seen this. But yeah.
Racks in the middle. I don't know, for some reason this shit looks like money, bro.
It
It
should be
చూస్తే మనీ కట్టలాగానే ఉంది కదా. Rajesh also agrees.
We'll post money also soon. We are making money now. So
Yes, we will
yeah.
soon.
So MNB.
MNE, money and victory, boys and girls. Okay, so here we have the seat tags. If you pay attention, to the right side you have Chill Sesh, and to the left side you have Make Me Garden, and these are all tulsi seeds in them. So after wearing these bands, you can drop them in the pot and you'll get a tulsi plant out of it.
That's awesome. I didn't know it was tulsi actually.
It was tulsi.
Okay.
It's your favorite plant, I guess.
Yeah, it's good. After COVID, I think most of the people are planting a tulsi mandatory in their house because they want to keep it pure, free from germs and viruses outside. It's good. We are getting back to our traditional India. So happy.
I love it too. I love it, man. And we recently pitched something to a real estate company. The pocket garden, which I guess I've showed it. The pocket garden which I've been selling at KBR, we pitched it to a real estate company to gift it to the people they're calling for the inauguration party as well as inauguration ceremony.
Yeah.
They have inauguration ceremony and select few inauguration party, to which we pitched. Okay, Rajesh just caught my eye there. Anyways, we pitched for them to gift it to the people whoever are visiting.
Yes.
So we're still waiting approval on that. However, I personally think it's most likely going to be accepted. So soon we'll be making even more money for Make Me Garden. So right now it's all small wins until we have the big win. We're striving for the fucking big win. We actually have one person who wanted to do a large scale project, which me and Rohit were discussing earlier, where they would have to plant 10,000 grow bags.
Yeah.
10,000 grow bags, that's a fucking lot.
Yeah. So it is something that it's like the first step, which is also fearing us from inside and also getting happiness outside. It's a dual feeling.
The fear is because we've never done this, and it's not just us. nobody else has ever done it,
Yeah.
especially with 10,000 grow bags.
Yeah.
So Rohit is actually looking into it because he's the one who does all the research part. So he has to be sure on what he conveys it to me and other people too. So that is why he has that fear. But apart from that, he's very excited because if this goes through and if this works out, Make Me Garden will be the first company to ever do that.
Yeah.
I don't know outside of India or in India, but at least in Hyderabad, Make Me Garden will be the first company to do that.
For sure, I can say that you won't see this project in even in Google. You won't see that scale. At least, okay, let's consider 1,000 grow bags, 2,000 grow bags. Fine, you can find it anywhere. But 10,000 grow bags, I am sure, and of that big size, I am sure you're not going to.
Very excited, man.
Yeah,
Very excited for this project. A lot of time to go for it to happen, I guess. But if it happens, this is going to be insane. So these are few events that are planned up for Make Me Garden. But apart from that, we have few more things. But we don't want to disclose it because we're not sure on how they're going to proceed. So we do not want to give false hope
Yeah.
to not just you viewers, also to our Make Me Garden team members who are upset because we didn't share them project details.
Yeah, so once for all the people as well, we'll be keeping you updated on our handles and on videos. So when we are completely confirmed on it, I'm sure we'll be the first to announce it and also get you on board in whatever ways we can get.
Definitely. So for now, you have Chill Sesh that is happening on 19th of December, which is just 2 fucking days away. And after that, we have another event. Again, that is also yet to be confirmed. But if that is confirmed, that will probably take place on 24th and 27th of the same month. So really looking forward for both of these events to happen.
Yes.
Hi. Hi.